Welcome to Artland class. So in this class I'm showing that with the 3 number the how to draw the such kind of the 3 number, how to draw the 3 number, so that you know that. So the 3 number we are taking into this lightly the slanting way, that means diagonally we are taking. So here I am showing parrot with this, so lightly you straight away you take into this. So this is a 3 number you has given like this. Okay, so the 3 number if you go into this one, so that one the diagonally the slanting way was taken. So from there you take, I will taken one more line, then here I will add one more line, right? So from here one more line, so there's a wings, then take the eyeball, then here you take the 3 dots. So one you take lightly straight way, and then upper one you join to this, the down one you take to the upper one. Okay, so you need to join towards up, right? So this one is the finished. So the legs part you take the 2 lines into this, and then 2 lines from this, and then here you take into this way. Okay, so then what happened, so here you take the and branch, so the parrot is the standing on the one tree branch. Okay, so this one we can extend here like this till the end of the paper we can take. Okay, so here just on the branch instance, just you take one flower and then leaves, and then at the corner of the branch the parrot is standing. So here you take the leaves, and then one more, then one more, and then here one, then here one, right? So this one is such a easy way you can draw this one, very simple. First what you have to do, draw this one straight line you can take and then add the 3 number, or otherwise after 3 number you can take the straight line and then join. So anyway it is easy, right? So the next thing is you take the black sketch and then trace on the line. So when you will give this one a thick line, it's look beautiful. So while coloring here and there it won't give any disturbance, then it will come properly. horizontal way you need to color. So the final you finish like this neatly, the horizontal way you need to color. Right. Then take the red color for this. Red color for nose. And then yellow color you take for the flower. Then keep the center one with the red dot. Then other one you take the parrot green, the light green you take, and then this you need to color. So this one also you need to give the outline like this first. So this the parrot will be the full length green color also. You need to finish the border. So then you color inside. First you give the outline like this and then fill the coloring. So you finish this coloring. So the next thing is, here for the leaves you take the same green color and then color them leaves. And then for the legs also, this part you do this green, and then take dark yellow or light brown you keep for the legs. Then after this you have to give the branch color. So take the brown color and then give the coloring. Take the brown color and then give the coloring for the branch. So giving the border, the same method you need to follow. The border you give like this. So the next thing is here the outline. So then you give the filling. Okay, so this one is the brown color for branch. So how like branch is the same way you need to color, you can't go into this. So this direction it will disturb the coloring. So the same direction you need to give the coloring part. At the finally you need to give the eyeball. The center one you need to fill the black color. So lightly if you give some white gap, it's look nice, interesting. Okay, so then this one is the final sketch, final drawing. So beautiful parrot on the branch. You like it very much, think, right? So try this one and then do well and then happy.